Hello guys. Guys. Harvest ang seedling guys. Kuha na lang yung seedling guys, katong gipa-reserve guys. Guys, nindot kaya itong seedling na to guys. Oh. Green na to ang seedling guys. Kuha na lang guys, tanom daw nilang bayugan ni guys. Wala na guys, kay lugay naman na sold out guys, kanong pagikuha. Guys, paabot namin siya sa katrak guys, kay wa masud tanan guys. Guys seedling na to guys, gwapa ka na itong takunan na to guys. Takunan guys. Untuk guys. Selamat.